So 10 months ago, I quit my job.
3 days till I quit my job.
2 days till I quit my job. 1 day, last day, and I quit my job. I done that to pursue content creation full time. I'm 10 months in right now and I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars every month with my phone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I do it. If you asked me about 10 years ago if I was gonna be doing this for a living, I would have laughed at you. I would have never believed it. But I'm happy I done it. I started off making short videos. They're easy to edit, they're easy to put together, they're easy to film. I got around that pretty good, and then I started with the long form stuff, which takes a lot more time, it's a lot more work, but it's a lot more rewarding as well. But now I'm literally living the dream. I get up every morning with my wife, we drink coffee, I drop the young fella off to school, I come home, make a few short steps across my driveway into the garage behind me, I work and film. I still can't believe it, it's crazy. So I'm monetized on YouTube and Facebook. If you start a YouTube channel, definitely start a Facebook page, it's definitely worth it. Facebook has been a great earner for me. Almost as good as YouTube, sometimes even better. So before we get into it, let's give a little backstory. I was a mechanic for 13 years probably. I quit my job back in January. This is now October, so that's 10 months. Last month, I almost doubled my mechanic income. This month, I'm already on track to more than double my mechanic income. So I'm just going to give you some insights here today on how much money you can make with a pretty small channel. Right now, I've got 44,000 subscribers on YouTube and 84,000 on Facebook. I create automotive-based content. I fix and flip cars. I pick up marketplace deals. And honestly, I just come out in the garage and have a laugh. So I take something that every one of you guys got, which is a phone. I turn it on, I film, and I edit all right here on my phone. I don't use any fancy equipment, nothing special. I got a couple phones. This is my old phone. What I'm currently filming on now is my new phone. That's the one I use now to edit and film. I got a cheap tripod, which you guys are sitting on right now. And I got a mic set from DJI. It's a DJI Mini. I don't know how much it was, but it's not very much. I edit all my videos on CapCut, which I find the easiest platform to edit videos on. So I'm literally making a living looking at the phone. So I'll come out here in the garage, I'll film a video, I'll make a long form video for YouTube, I'll cut that long form video up for YouTube Shorts and Facebook. I used to post on TikTok too, but I don't very much anymore. I'm more focused on YouTube and Facebook right now because that's who's paying me. Some of my videos, I fix and flip cars, like this one I got behind me right now. In those videos, I make money on the videos, short form and long form, and I also make money when I sell the car and flip it. But that money I'm putting to a side because I'm saving up for a supercar, which I'm planning to have sometime in the spring. Sometimes you also get sponsorships. When you get sponsorships, you'll get money from that as well. And trust me, if I can do this, anybody can do this. I'm not into computers. I'm not into technology or nothing like that. I'm just a mechanic who makes videos. I just fix things. And I also break them, but... So I'm in Canada. YouTube pays me in Canadian dollars. Facebook pays me in US dollars. So I'm going to show you a few examples here now of some of my videos and how much money I make on them. And I'll put a conversion up on the screen here somewhere of the Canadian versus US dollars. So this video that you're looking at here right now is my best performing long form video. This video took me over a month to make. I bought a car, I fixed it up, I got my parts and stuff. I flipped it, sold it, I put all the clips together, and I posted the video. Now that video made me over $6,000, that one video. I believe that video got 860-ish thousand kilometers on it right now. Sorry, my mind is stuck in car language. That video got 860-odd thousand views on it, made over $6,000. I also flipped that car and I made over 3,600 bucks on the car flip. So that one video almost made me $10,000 between the video and the car flip. I also cut that video up into shorts, which I posted on Facebook and YouTube. Here's another example. This is just a short video. This specific video took me about an hour to film, edit, and post. Didn't take me very long at all to make this video. This video got 5.8 million views on YouTube Shorts, and it made me $1,126 on YouTube. I posted that same video on Facebook, which made me $886 US. which converts out to be about $1,245 Canadian. So that one short form video that only took me about an hour to make, and I cross posted it on YouTube and Facebook, made me almost $2,400 for 1 hour of work. Crazy. That's just a couple examples. I've got multiple videos with over 1 million views, so you can kind of do the math on that. I'm not saying this to brag or boast at all. I'm not about that. What I'm doing is hopefully inspiring or giving some insight to what's possible. If you're on the fence about making videos, doing any of this stuff, maybe this will push you over the edge. You should give it a try. Worst case scenario, you can go back and get another job. So I know this was a bit of a different style video today, a bit more serious than my usual videos. There's lots of new content coming. I'm sitting on something here now. The car is well on their way. Should be ready by the end of the week. Keep your eye out for those videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.